Can we change Facebook ID's name before 60 days? Hey everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we will be guiding you step by step on that. And let's find out if we can do that or not. So for that, once you open up your Facebook application and log in into your account, you can locate up the menu in the top of your screen here and tap on it. And once you tap on the menu, this opens up like this. Now what you need to do is look out for settings and privacy option, drop it down. And once you drop it down, you may head over to settings option, tap on it and open it up. After you tap on it, you may locate up Account Center and open it up and open up your Account Center within Meta. After that, what you may do is look out for option of profiles and tap on it. After you tap on your profiles, you can locate up your Facebook account, tap on it. And once you open it up here, it will give you option like name, username, etc. Tap on name and let's head over here. So here in this first name, you can just go ahead and cancel out and add up another name. And similarly for the second name, also you can add up another name. And you can look out for this option of review change if you would like to change your name. So if you're trying to change a name after you have tapped on review change before 60 days, unfortunately, we cannot do it. That is because Facebook's policy does not allow us that. So if you would like to change your name before 60 days, you cannot do it. You need to wait at least 60 days in order to have the process of changing your Facebook name. While you are changing your Facebook name, do not add any unusual capitalization, punctuation characters, or random words, and then only you will be able to change your name. So for now in this video, I hope you found out that you cannot do it. If you would like to change your name, you need to wait 60 days. After that, you may just follow up the process that I just showed on my screen, and that way you can do so. So therefore, for today's video, I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.